Happy day, my dear kids. Have you all finished your previous day word problem? Good. Today we are going to see word problem again. Before seeing the word problem, you have to write classwork copy today about addition and subtraction sums. Listen, children. You have to write the date at the top left corner. Then you have to write it as HW because you are going to do homework now. So you have to write it as HW. Then write the topic as addition and subtraction. Then you have to write page number at the top right corner of the first line. Leave one line, then write Roman letter 3 addition. Today we are going to see only addition problem. After writing Roman letter 3, you have to leave one line, then write number 1, 264 plus 50 equal to dash. Then again leave one line and write it as hundreds, tens and ones. Then write the above two numbers under place values. You have to write plus symbol after the hundreds place of the second number. So in this way you have to write, then you have to do addition as you have done in your book. After completing the first problem, take the answer and write it in the dash of the first problem. Okay, children? Then you have to leave one line to write the second problem. Leave one line, then in next line you have to write number 2 and then write it as 407 plus 38 equal to dash. Again you have to follow the same procedure to write all the 6 problems. I have given 6 problems for you to do it as a homework today. You should not divide the page into two. You have to write all the sums one after another. If you don't have space after writing the third sum in first page, then you have to take next page, then write the sums 4, 5 and 6 one after another. After calculating the answers for all the sums, you should take the answer and write it in the dash of the given sum. Use sharp pencil and keep an eraser with you. If you do any mistake, rub it neatly, then find out the correct answer and write it again. Hope you all clear with the procedure of writing the homework in your classwork copy. You have to write it neatly and correctly. Next one, word problem. This problem is given in your book itself. I am going to explain the sum. There are 6 blue plates on a shelf. There are 18 more red plates than blue plates. How many red plates are there? Before doing the sum, you have to find the keywords given in the word problem. What are the keywords given? First one is 6 blue plates. Blue plates is the first keyword, and next one, red plate is the next keyword. So using these two keywords, draw a bar diagram for the given problem. How many blue plates are there? 6 blue plates. So you have to draw a bar for 6 blue plates. Do you know how many red plates are there? No. We have to find how many red plates are there. Then what is given? There are 18 more red plates than blue plates. Here the important keyword is more than. Already we have 6 blue plates. Now we have to draw more than 6 blue plates. That means we have additionally 18 more plates with 6 blue plates. So that is the meaning of the given sentence. I repeat again, we have 18 more red plates with 6 blue plates. This is the meaning of more than. We have drawn a bar for red plates which is more than 6 blue plates. Now I separated the bar having red plates which is equal to the blue plates. Now the value of the separated part is 6 and the another part is 18, which means 6 blue plates plus 18 more red plates. We have to combine these two to get the total number of red plates. Am I clear to you, children? If you add both the values of blue plates and 18 more red plates, you get the answer for total number of red plates. Now add the value of 6 and 18. 6 plus 18 equal to dash. Use the place value to do addition.
How many maximum number of digits are there in 6 and 18? In 6, only one digit, so ones place. In 18, ones and tens, so two digit number. So you have to write using tens and ones one after another. 18 and 6. In ones place, 8 is bigger than 6. So you have to take away 2 from 6 to make 8 as 10. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Now you get the remaining as 4 by taking 2 away from 6. So 10 plus 4 equal to 14. From 14, 4 is in ones place. So you have to write 4 in ones place, and from 14, 1 should be written in tens place. 1 and 1 makes 2. This is called regrouping method. Here we got the answer as 6 plus 18 equal to 24. Therefore, there are 24 red plates. Finally, we got the answer by doing bar diagram and regrouping method. Hope you all clear with this word problem. Related to this problem, I have given assignment in your book also. You have to do it in your book neatly and correctly. If you have any doubt, just see the previous videos again to make it clear about regrouping and word problem. Thank you, my dear kids. As I said already, if you want to see more videos about mathematics, just subscribe this channel, Red Hot Spicy Samayal, and watch the videos in this channel. Thank you.